Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now you have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System and Updates. Now let's tap on the fourth position, date and time, and here we've got some options to customize. First of all, you can decide what kind of time format you want to use. Now we are using 24-hour format, but if you want to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here and it will be immediately activated and applied. As you can see, now we are using automatic date and time provided by the network, but if you want to set it manually, just tap on the switcher right here, and now date, time and time zone options are active, so we can freely tap on the date and by swiping choose the date you want to use. Let's tap on OK, and the same situation with the time, so now you can decide what time it currently is. Let's tap on OK to confirm, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the status bar. The same situation will be with the time zone, so simply tap here, and here we've got the list of available time zones, so simply find the one you want to use and tap on it. As you can see, it immediately appears, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time also will change according to the time zone. Under it, we've got some options for the dual clocks and home city, so you can activate 2 clocks, so when you will be away from your home time zone, then you will be able to see the current time from the time zone you are currently are, and the time from your home city. If you want to get back to all previous settings, just tap on the switcher to use 24-hour time and tap on this switcher to set date, time and time zone automatically. So actually that's all. This is how to set date and time in your HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.